Today we have the 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. This vehicle has done just over 45,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic headlights, and our keyless ignition. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, radio, media, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our pan roof.